everyone. I'm Dr. Pratap, Professor in HOD at Enappai Dental College, Mangalore. So I practice in this area, Mangalore, Kasaragod area, and I've been into practice in general practice as well as specialty practice since 20 plus years. I would like to share some thoughts regarding the complete rehabilitation for cavity, which I come across, though the patients keep asking only about the front tooth rehabilitation. What I would like to convey here is that most of the patients come with front tooth problems and they tell, okay, please correct this problem, because they are only worried about that smile. But then they always forget that there is some deeper problems which is within their oral cavity, which I would like to highlight. So it is not that one front tooth that you have to restore. It is a whole mouth, or in fact, whole mouth is considered as a single organ. So please consider while treating to start thinking about the whole mouth, which includes your gums, the tooth in front as well as back, and plus the TMJ, or we call temporomandibular joint, or the generally what you might call it as a joint problem here, which you have sometimes you have come across. So what I am insisting here, or I would like to convey to you, is about the front tooth restoration. As you all know, we have one direct where we do composite restorations and fill, and depending on the reasons of the problem, say maybe if it is after an accident, we like to repair it by root canal followed by indirect restorations like aesthetic restorations, laminates, veneers, or crowns, full crowns. But all these things, though you people are aware, what you are not bothered is about what we tell. Sometimes, very often, I see almost all the doctors telling you that when you come for that front tooth rehabilitation, we have to first rehabilitate the posteriors, because the longevity or the life of this front tooth is always depending on your back tooth. Why? Because we are supposed to chew on the back tooth or the posteriors. But when you have front tooth restored, and when the back tooth is missing, or when it is not properly in contact or in function, we call it, then you will have problems with anteriors or front tooth fracturing very often. So my message would be, first you get yourself checked completely and make sure that all your tooth problems behind is also taken care of. If it is a gum problem, yes, gum problem has to be taken care of. If it is a missing tooth, then definitely it has to be restored. We have enough of kind of treatments available, right from removable partial denture till implant processes, which is ranging from 2,000 to 50,000 rupees. We have enough treatment options. So opt it first, so that your front tooth will stay for a longer time. Otherwise, you will keep this front tooth will keep chipping off, or say this will keep breaking very often, and finally dislodgement of the restorations in front, whatever is done. So treat mouth as a whole, because if you have full functional tooth inside, then your facial aesthetics is going to be, you will look very smart, you will look younger, and because we have functional muscles which keeps the face very happy, we can tell bright, or we can call it very healthy, because we can see somebody's face who is looking young will definitely have their full dentition. That means all their facial muscles, say 40 plus muscles, including the we have got other functional muscles also, which is for opening, closing mouth and all, 4 to 5 muscles there also, which gives the correct shape to your face or the entire musculature. So please concentrate on rehabilitating the complete tooth, a complete mouth instead of a single tooth. That is my message to you all. Thank you one and all.